Wanted to take a quick video overview of the EVToon project using the Tesla Model 3 motor and battery. So we've got the Tesla Model 3 battery all repackaged, and it's stacked vertically instead of horizontally like it is in the car. There's my penthouse. There's a standard charge port, uses the Tesla NACS port. All of our disconnects, these are available from a hatch on the Toon deck. We've got a custom system here for thermal management. By default, the mode is to cool both loops, but we can also use the waste heat from the inverter and the PCS and the motor to heat the battery. So the valves will switch into a position to do that. Or we can leave the battery alone. But the battery sometimes wants heated, sometimes wants cooled, and sometimes just wants left alone. So we've got Model 3 or Model Y 980 performance motor in here. There's a CV joint that connects it through. We made a custom gear set, custom output shaft, and then connected it to this Konrad sterndrive. Right here. We've got Optimus EPS steering from Dometic. Right now I've got lights and cameras on inside. So there's some cameras installed for doing our on-water testing to figure out if there's anything moving around, which shouldn't be. We had a custom water tank, a coolant tank here with 2 different loops. There's 2 different pumps. There's a freshwater pump, tilt trim pump, strainer. All of this is accessible from this door here. So this door closes and is the only thing that you have access to once it's bolted to the boat. So being able to get access to all of our fluids, our relays, our fuses, our strainer, and top off volt coolant and everything is all accessible from that panel. So we've got electric steering, so there's no hydraulics that run to the helm. All that runs to the helm is low voltage. So we've got battery that goes back to the boat. We can provide up to 200 amps from the PCS over there. And then this is all low voltage. So you've got some CAN bus and some just low voltage signal cables. So the only thing that goes to the boat is this. No high voltage. All the high voltage is then contained within this Toon. There are covers that go over this whole thing, seal it all up, and all you have is just bolt up to the Toon and run low voltage. This is using a standard binnacle that has been modified to be able to function with Tesla accelerator pedal. However, in final implementations, this will all just be NEMA 2000 in and out and be able to use a standard NEMA binnacle. There's a safety module here for the cutoff for the lanyard. So in the event that you're in gear and you're moving forward, we just default to go to neutral. And then we've got tilt trim on bolt here and here. Very nice setup. In addition to having cameras, we also have onboard diagnostics. All that goes to a little Intel NUC here that's accessible. It generates a Wi-Fi network where I can connect to it through an Ethernet port. And then on a computer, I can have access to see all of my cameras and see all my CAN bus data through Grafana. Well, I'm about to seal all this stuff up and put it on the boat and do a water test. Wish me luck.